What's going on, guys? Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance. Alright guys, today we have a really interesting story that I want to share with you guys. So I get a referral from a customer. I have this lady, she calls me up. She says, hey, so and so referred me to you. And I said, awesome, what can I do for you? Well, she said, I have a relative. I think she said it was her sister, but details don't really matter. I have this relative. She recently got a divorce, recently as in the last 6 months, and we want to surprise her by cleaning up her yard. Do you think you would be interested? I said, absolutely, I would be interested. This is an awesome situation, and I love to be a blessing to other people. So that's awesome. So we ended up working out. The backyard is a jungle. The grass hasn't been cut all season, and it's just nasty. So we're going to be tackling this sort of in steps because they have a budget, obviously, and so we worked out a deal where we're going to do what we're doing today now for the fall, and then in the spring, once a month we'll come and spruce things up. But the homeowner here has no idea what is getting done today at all, and she also told me that they're cleaning the inside of the house, so it is going to be awesome, guys. I'm so happy to be part of this. So all right, here's the front of the house. So what we're going to be tackling today is that large arborvitae is getting cut down. There is a one that's leaning over right here that should come out pretty easy, and then there's a pile of stuff which was, I think, what they had cut from this back there that we can take, and we might possibly be able to shape up those bushes. I'm not exactly sure. So guys, this is awesome. All right, I'm gonna cut down this arborvitae. This will be awesome. Not bad, guys, not bad. We're gonna get rid of that volunteer whatever, as well as this big old vine right here. Whew, man. Then we gotta do this thing on the side. guys, we just wrapped it up. Oh, it looks so much better. So no more evergreen there. No, I don't get that. No more tipping over partially cut arborvitae. Got all the weeds out of here. And then that mess. But this part is looking good, guys. We got the grass mowed. All the leaves picked up and off the street as well. It looks good. Oh man, I feel so good after doing this one. Looks so much better. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. This is definitely something interesting that I do not get to do every day. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.